You wanna go first? Spark that shit. Spark that shit.
Yes. Listen to the words we manifest.
Yeah. Feeling this beat like the beat in the street. Pumping the bass, got trouble. Fucking niggas, I been the rubble. Been the outcast, I been the rebel. Been that nigga that always been finna rumble. Sitting here like nigga, I can't stumble. Can't get off of my pivot just to get this greenery. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, it's the machine in me. My heart came with a Hemi. What can I say? Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. Used to sell gay all day like it may pay. Nigga, fuck it, nigga. Be all day high off of that lie. Got medical now, got my car. Yeah, they selling medical now. The government better than drug dealers than we ever been now. Left in the town, tainting the town blue. I painting the town blue. Nigga, if you knew, nigga bang at your crew. Nigga see city, nigga I bang at your committee. I been running through the city, since city been city. Nigga fucking nigga, I be having to get greedy. Nigga, I need this motherfucking money by any means. Nigga, we counting this cheese, getting this green. Getting this green.
Getting this green.
Getting this green,
Yeah, we getting this green. Yo, we getting this green. Spider-Man, Buddha Low,
freestyle.
Yo, you know what I mean? This is the next chapter. Spider-Man is that bastard that grew up without a father. My bad. My true pops is from Queens Bridge. Word. He taught me a lot of shit. So when I walk the streets, I know what it is. Word, that comes from Pittsburgh to downtown to the Shadow Lounge. You know how I get down. I represent the hip hop underground. Let me squeeze that in. I can't tease that in. Hey yo, African American, black skin. Hey yo, catch a backhand. Spider-Man, fuck Batman. Word, my superhero wars is all it's dealing with mad sports of all sorts. Yo, check the billboards, you won't find me. Check the awards, you won't find me.
Won't find him, you won't find me. If you find us, we in the same place, in the same space, in the same shit. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, I'm with that bullshit. Yeah, I got the shits, said it before, but I don't give a fuck. Nigga aiming at your forehead, nigga, and I don't give a fuck. Instead, I be on that gum dumpster truck. I leave
my best advice would be appreciate the small things, not so much the big things. Take heed to all things. My religion, none. Man said in the beginning, let there be light, but where did this light come from? I'm not a dum-dum. You are not a listener. This is not a rerun. I don't believe ministers. My whole household died. Mother, brother, sister, spider felt like a termite choking on a splinter. On my front door, there's a sign, do not enter. A lot of happy moments in my life I don't remember. I'm forever young with an old man's temper. When you piss me off, I turn cold. Winter, last spring, Lee got the trucking. The only fling I tried to marry ran back to her husband. Having panic attacks about who to put my trust in. Task running attack when they knew where I was pumping. The system is
from the
HW,
don't make me trouble you. I pull you out your BMW, playing no games. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I aim and I shoot just to kill, nigga. I ain't even strange, nigga. I ain't no lame. Never been that. Been a leader in my frame. Been a leader. Don't give a fuck, nigga. I drink liquor about a liter, and I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give a fuck about computers or nothing like that.
I take pride in supporting Duquesne Light's small business customers, even when I'm working from home. It's important to make sure they know resources are available now if they need support.
Hey,
With our online